O tiny Sean, O star of mine, grace is your name. And in the snowy mountainside, winter came again. Take shelter there, in cave of dreams, with the fires of your heart. An ember glowing ever bright, spark flame into your art. Develop thee a whispered wand, a pen to strike and writ. Live and love not by your sword, as truth may cut, leave bit. Instead, my deepest, dearest son, let passion rage her claim, but always in stillness of our sight, be faithful to our game. In mystery we seek to shine on what could not be named, the glory, peace, and father's pride of the word he placed in frame, and mother's everlasting glee and joy of her children's walk, for those who know could not speak, and those who don't but talk. And of this riddle always true, yet never again the same, sing out to sun, kneel to star, and let the gods scream out your name. The trumpets blaze, the angels call, a return of covenant. The ark is yours, a ship for thee, to bring to the isle of repent. Master waits, a patient prose, a scholar of scholars he. So raise as cork above the waves, and travel colliding oceans with glee. And all that sang and loves all kissed a rose of time unblooms, and kingdom's gates which ever strained are once again sent loose. Master comes and sits with thee to drink and toast his life. The kingdom is, and once again, the morning dew cleans strife. O Kelly, Calais, goddess of the snow, we treasure us our ancient line, our journey to and fro. In pastures and dawning sun, remembering heaven's gaze, we walk about the labyrinth, most glorious of maze, until we find just but a stump, a small and humble seat, and sit and rest and ponder at the throne we are to meet. Our spirits call ancestral songs and fury of all things. The heart and gates are open, let rivers rush and sing. So go beyond into the cellar of deepest heavenly dream, and find in there the hollow bone, take flight on dragon's wing. From whence he came he shall return, and then come back to say, I come and go and come again, but in our hearts remain. So call of me, my dearest friends, but a bird in simple song, and sing to me your heart's aching pains, and let them pour out long. But in his simple bardic glee and delight in the sun, he cannot see a simple fear, darkness, nothing, none.